Hey, I'm Brian Phillips with HP Poly. We are here at Zoomtopia 2023 showing off the new HP 435 webcam. So this is a new business grade webcam that gives you all the great features you need for great video calls, right? 1080p video quality. It's got this little integrated privacy shutter for when you want to be sure you're not on video. Stereo microphones. It's very flexible, right? If you need to turn it to show something else or just get the right angle on you, right? So a lot of flexibility, great performance, but at a price point that's really designed for mass deployment. So it's a $59 list price. So it's really the kind of webcam that you can deploy for all office workers, knowledge workers, either drop it on your laptop or stick it right on your display in a home office or in a hoteling cubicle back in the office. So tons of flexibility and great performance. So again, it's called the HP 435. You can learn more about it at hp.com or Amazon.